Shopping for clothes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you practice English conversation. Today we are going to talk about a common and fun topic, shopping for clothes. This conversation will be between two friends planning a shopping trip, and they will talk about what they need, what styles they like, and even what they plan to do after shopping. It's a great way to practice everyday English. So let's begin. Hi Sarah, how are you today? Hey Anna, I'm doing well. How about you? I'm good too. Actually, I was thinking of going shopping this weekend. I need to buy some new clothes. Do you want to come with me? That sounds like fun. I have been meaning to buy some new clothes too. Do you know where you want to go? I was thinking about going to the mall. There are so many stores, and I hear there is a big sale going on this weekend. A sale? That's great. I love shopping during sales. What do you need to buy? Well, I need some new casual clothes for work and maybe something nice for our friend's birthday party next month. What about you? I definitely need some new dresses and maybe some jeans too. I also need a new pair of shoes. Do you have a favorite store in mind? I really like Fashion World. They always have the latest styles and their prices are reasonable. Do you know it? Oh yes, I have shopped there before. I love their dresses. They have such cute designs. Do you want to start there? Yes, we can start at Fashion World. After that, maybe we can check out Trendy Corner for some casual clothes. Good idea. I always find nice things at Trendy Corner. What colors are you looking for? Any specific styles in mind? I'm thinking of buying some bright colors for a change, maybe something yellow or green for the party. I want something simple but elegant. How about you? I want to get something light and summery, maybe a floral dress for a cute top with jeans. I have been looking for something pink or blue. Oh, and I really need a new handbag. A handbag? That reminds me, I need a new one too. I have had mine for years. Where do you usually buy bags? There is a nice shop called Bag Boutique on the third floor. They have a lot of choices. I bought my last bag from there and it's still in great condition. Perfect. We can check that out after we look for clothes. Do you think we should also look for some accessories? I feel like I need some new jewelry. That's a good idea. I saw a cute accessories shop near the food court. They have earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. Maybe we can find something to match our new clothes. That sounds perfect. Speaking of the food court, we should definitely grab lunch while we are there. Do you know any good place to eat? Yes, there is a new cafe that opened recently. It's called Cafe Delight. They have sandwiches, salads, and great coffee. I have heard it's really popular. Oh, I have heard about that place too. Let's go there for lunch. What time do you want to meet? How about 10 a.m. on Saturday? We can start shopping early, and by the time we finish, it will be lunchtime. That works for me. Should we meet at the mall entrance? Yes, let's meet at the main entrance. I'll bring my shopping list this time. I always forget what I need when I get to the mall. Me too. I'm writing mine tonight. Oh, and do you need to buy anything else besides clothes? I think I need some skincare products as well. I'm running out of moisturizer. There is a cosmetics store near the entrance, so we can step by there too. That's a good idea. I could use some new makeup. Maybe we can check out some perfumes while we are there. Sure, I have been thinking of trying a new perfume. It's been a while since I bought one. This is going to be such a fun day, shopping, lunch, and maybe even more pampering with skincare and perfume. I agree. I'm really looking forward to it. See you at 10 a.m. on Saturday. Yes, I can't wait. See you then. See you on Saturday, and have a great rest of your week. You too, Sarah. Take care. And that's the end of today's conversation. We hope you enjoyed practicing with us. Shopping for clothes is something we all do, and it's a great topic to help you practice English in a real world situation. Remember, practicing like this is a fun way to improve your language skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more English lessons. See you next time.